Ever wonder if we're stuck in an anime loop? Think about it. Do you ever feel like you've seen this story before with slightly different hair color? Before we dive in, please subscribe and hit that like button. Now, let's explore a concern voiced by a true anime legend. Shinichiro Watanabe, the visionary behind, entered the industry decades ago. He quickly became known for his unique style. His work inspired countless others. Watanabe believes something is hindering creativity. He recently shared his thoughts in a career retrospective book coinciding with his latest anime, um, um, and trying to talk about the titles that presents a world reliant on a drug called Hapuna for relief that presented. Um, but it's revealed there's a deadly poison with a 3-year timer. Uh, the story follows those who seek the cure from Skinner, its creator. He sees this as punishment for humanity's flaws. It echoes Watanabe's signature style, complex characters, and energetic action. However, uh, faced criticism. Some accused it of promoting a specific agenda. This sparked debate about creative freedom in the modern anime landscape. And what Nabe worries, social media amplifies negative feedback. He fears this will stifle young directors and their ability to innovate freely. Friend of vision. If you're always checking feedback, you can't create, he explains. He argues there's a surprising lack of originality that, you know, there is more anime than ever, he says, but it's all the same thing. Um, he sees this pattern extending to movies too. Critics agree. Many point to repetitive tropes and familiar character designs. The industry often favors revisiting old favorites over taking risks on new ideas. Reports show fans are watching more reboots and revivals. Production companies prefer established properties, ensuring a safer prefer a safer return on investment. Watanabe built his career on original works. He emphasizes success requires relentless dedication and fighting for your vision. Um, it wasn't luck, it was perseverance. Um, just like this doesn't happen. Um, and he hopes to inspire young creators. If you have the willpower, he believes you can achieve anything in Eternal. Um, don't be afraid to say no to compromise. Um, it's like trying to find a unique character in in an isekai that's, you know, good luck with that. Um, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.